Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab A8, and today I'm going to show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Now once your content is open and visible on your screen, the one that you want to capture obviously, just press the power button and volume down at the same time, like so. You have the flash, and you should have a pop-up here, I think at least. Let's try that again. I guess we don't get a pop-up here. So in any case, once you capture the screenshot, which is just visible with this flash, you can find it in your Photos application, and you can see right under albums, you have an album called Screenshots. And in here, you can see these are the two screenshots that I have just taken a moment ago. Now, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.